This is the top balcony deck that's on top of the UNC. You can see it's pretty deep. Snow is pretty deep up here. I'd say we've got at least 1.5 foot of snow up here. And just to show you how deep it is. And you get a pretty nice view from up here, as you can see. Lots of snow. And we're going to get at least 1 foot of snow before this is over. It's been snowing since last night. This is the same place that Genevieve's going to be graduating, having her graduation ceremony in the Glenn Miller Ballroom downstairs. Too bad you can't see the mountains, but it's snowing, and so the snow is hiding the mountains. On a nice clear day, I'll take another tape and a video so you can see what it looks like on a nice clear day.